Welcome everyone. Today we will be making some meringues, or otherwise known as skuimpies, né Leon? Skuimpies. Sissy, I think you're going to make a big geraas today, so I'm going to give you this one. Hello Leon, how are you?
Good.
Are you good?
I'm just not talking because, yeah.
I love your top.
Yeah, thanks.
Do you like dinosaurs?
Yes.
You do?
Like, they were really like
Prehistoric.
prehistoric. They like eggs the size of your, maybe even triple stories.
Yeah.
Ah, sorry, that was the cow. Maybe even the size of your house, maybe even the size.
So big.
Maybe even the size of a triple story house.
Yeah. Okay, so our ingredients for today is very, very simple. It's only egg whites,
Yep.
some caster sugar, and some flavorant and colorant for our
That's
meringues.
actually like 24 seconds.
24 seconds.
And not really.
Okay, so we are gonna...
And guys, if you watched the last video, which is last Friday,
Yeah.
it was pretty messy.
What did we make last Friday? Can you remember? Flapjacks. Okay, perfect. So we are gonna separate the egg.
The broken egg.
Yes, but what part of the egg am I gonna use? Can you remember?
The slimy part.
So which part is that? What do we call
The
it?
yolk.
The white. The yolk we're gonna discard. So we're gonna use it for something else. Okay.
That's the beautiful part, because I usually use that part as my dinner.
Do you?
Or like breakfast, but you have to cook it first.
So we're gonna start by mixing our egg whites. Are you
Yes.
gonna hold the mixer?
Yes.
Okay, Sissy's gonna scrape. So as soon as the
Sorry,
egg white,
sis.
we're gonna just quickly tell the people. As soon as the egg white starts to foam, we're gonna add a pinch of cream of tartar. Okay.
Can I just...
Okay.
Can I do it?
Yes,
Okay.
you may.
Oh! This is bumpy!
Is it a bumpy ride? So we're adding the pinch now.
I just mixed it. That's enough.
No, just like
No, I just
wants to feel the consistency.
Oh, this is the...
Do you want to taste it?
Guys, this is actually whipped cream, but we're gonna make it more cute. This is
Okay.
Mom.
Yeah.
We call this mountain snow cream, survival cream.
Okay.
You always pack it when you're going to a deserted island. The boat sinks. You just live on the island.
And then you live on this, eh? Okay, so what we're
And
gonna
then
do
you
is
just eat that for pudding.
Yes.
And you just eat coconuts.
Yes.
That's just,
how it is.
yeah.
Okay, so
But
we're gonna...
you can accidentally see some potatoes
Really?
and then you find dinosaurs.
Okay.
Well,
Let's quickly talk about the meringue.
Yeah.
So we're gonna mix it until it's very shiny and smooth and all the sugar
just
is
like
dissolved.
a car. Just like a car.
Okay. You carry on mixing, come on.
Tornado! With big pretzels! Ow! 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 We're broken!
Just carry on mixing, Leon.
A big pretzel! We're big pretzels! Just like a pretzel!
Very nice. Come on and taste. Okay, so show the people what it should look like. Nice and
Okay.
glossy and shiny. And when you turn it around, it doesn't fall from the bowl.
Just like cement.
Okay, so Leanne, what color are we going to make it? Are we going to make it pink? Let's do it for Sissy pink. Is it okay? Baby pink. Like the color of her pants.
Maybe baby purple.
Oh, baby purple. Let's see.
Guys,
Okay.
you should always add some water just to make it like...
Rose water to give it a nice flavor.
Can I do it?
It's very little, Leanne, so just a drop. Can I go with you? Just a drop. Just for flavor. There we go. And this is going to let it
Can I
taste
taste
like...
it?
It's not going to taste nice now. I'm going to mix it through, then you can taste it. It's going to make it taste like Turkish delight.
Turkey?
Turkish delight.
Turkey.
Okay, so are we making
Turkey barf.
purple?
Right.
The tiniest drop. Wait. No, you're going to put the whole bottle in. I see it. Just one drop. Just one drop. With gel food coloring. There we go.
It kind of looks black now. Guys, purple and white make black.
Can you mix it like
Ooh,
that?
black. Ooh, black. Guys, you always call it ooh, black of it slime. Like really thick slime.
Can mommy put a little bit of pink with? Because then it's going to make the purple a nicer purple.
Ooh, this is gonna be like a rainbow. Guys, this is the color of unicorn.
Perfect. Perfect.
This
Don't
is the
mix it
color of
more.
my toothpaste.
So we want it to look like...
Guys, that is the color of unicorn. Unicorn. Well, you know. Unicorn hair.
Okay, so this is how it's going to look. We're going to keep
Actually,
it...
unicorn eyes.
Okay, we're going to keep it a little bit like... not mixed through.
No.
You can taste it now. Okay, let's hope Sissy will sit now. Sissy? There we go, Sissy. You can work with the pastry brush again. How does it taste? Okay, it tastes that nice. Huh?
Yeah,
Okay.
just like...
You can use a piping bag.
I need something.
Do you need something? Okay.
Yeah. Guys, this is really delicious. You can just... Yeah.
Okay, you're going to use a piping bag and a star nozzle.
Guys, that is really delicious. It tastes like dessert.
Like dessert and Turkish delights.
What does that mean?
It's
Turkey
like a
bar.
sweet. No.
Is that ice cream?
No. It's meringues.
Meringues are mountain cream. The real name of this is mountain cream.
Okay, mountain cream. There we go, and we put all of it inside the piping bag.
Tell them what it is.
It is mountain cream. Fluffy, fluffy mountain cream.
Just like whipped cream.
There we go.
You
Let's
can
put
just
this
lick
on
it all
this
over.
side.
Look, guys, it looks kind of like slime now.
So then we're going to pipe it on a tray with some
What?
greaseproof paper.
That
Oh.
has germs.
No, it doesn't have germs. I put a clean paper. And we're going to heat our oven to 100 degrees Celsius.
Whoa. Whoa!
Pipe it like a little
Oh,
straw.
I already taste that.
Yes, Mommy makes it often. Yes,
That-
sissy.
Guys,
So
if
it
it's
makes
still
it
liquid,
liquid.
you can eat it. Mom, leave some for me so I can yeah.
Still taste it.
Yeah.
And what does it taste like when it's done?
Pretty much like crusty wet mountain cookies.
And what is that, like, how does it feel on your tongue? Does it melt?
Pretty much.
Yes, it just melts away.
Like slime.
So we're gonna make.
Just like a snake. But just a tiny snake. The snake is dying.
Okay, Leanne, do you want to put some shiny things on it? Some glitter.
I don't want to eat glitter. Okay.
It's edible glitter. Which one do you want to take?
This one.
And what about a pink?
Can we eat this?
Yes, it's edible
This.
glitter. Yes, it's edible glitter.
Oh, I need to put a little bit.
Okay.
Nope.
Now we can.
Now we have to just, yeah.
There we go. So just lift it open. So some of them you can do with some blue. Lightly dust. There we go.
That's actually green.
Some with some pink. It's aqua, eh?
Yep. Hey, I need some.
Do some at the top there. Or if you want to and you don't want to make it pink or blue glitter.
It's green.
Okay, green, I'm sorry. You can also do it pearly glitter. And then you just see it.
Pearly is like greenish or silver.
So it will just look shiny, but it doesn't
Oh,
really
great.
have a color.
Now, great.
Oh,
Look what you.
don't worry. There we go. Perfect.
Oh yeah, that one.
No, that's a plain one. Okay, and
You
that's
can
it.
just make every. That one doesn't have.
It does. It has the pearly one. So now we're going to put it in the oven for about
24 minutes.
no, for about an hour at 100 degrees, and then it will be dried out.
Yeah.
See? Okay, let's put it in the oven. Oh, and Liana is eating the paper. Liana.
Guys, that is pretty much funny. No, I'm serious. It's really funny.
No feet on the table. When we're done, we will show you the end result.
Yep.
Okay, Liana, it's an hour later, and we've got beautiful unicorn meringues. Would you like to try them? Hmm?
I like it good.
Do you like a green one?
Yes.
Okay, so,
I'm gonna take this.
and tell the people, what do you think? How does it taste?
I feel like popcorn melting in my mouth.
Is it melting in your mouth?
Popcorn melting.
Oh, popcorn melting in your mouth. Oh, that's delicious.
Mm.
So what do you think? Must the people tell us what we must make next?
I mean, even though I told them, I promised them over 4 years we're gonna make the house, the entire house full of boxes,
Oh, the house full of boxes.
and then we're gonna cut out some windows and
For the
wall.
cats to live in.
Yeah.
But we don't have cats yet. Okay.
We're still gonna make it for the cats.
Yeah. So tell the people they can write in the comments what they would like us to make next, eh?
Like other shacks.
Foodie stuff.
Meatloaf.
Meatloaf. Okay. What about some? I've got one, a simple recipe with some custard and for the cold weather. Do you think so? Okay. Say good evening. Bye. Say good evening. Bye. Good night.